Welcome back, family. Welcome back. Welcome back to T&J Construction. And today, as I promised, I'm bringing you a quick update on the garage. We started this one, but man, I would tell you, man, it been a hell of a one. We have a lot of water issues in the foundation. I mean, the whole foundation is just pouring with water. And then we are doing a foundation for a story building. So just imagine that it's in a swamp. We were told that it was a wet, half dry land, but it's a complete swamp. But we are working with it. We don't make excuses. Once we take your job, we are going to execute regardless of the situation. But first, before I even show you that, hey guys, we are crushing it. We are crushing it. I mean, we are crushing it. We are at 150 subscribers, guys. It's crazy. I'm like, what? Yeah, we are at 150 subscribers. So, hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, T&J Construction is the real deal. And you definitely want to subscribe to keep following all of the work we are doing in Liberia. We are the bridge between you and your construction project back home. So you definitely want to subscribe to see all of the work we are doing so far and all of the work to come in the near future. So definitely subscribe. But to all of my subscribers, I want to say a big thank you again. I mean, you guys are making it easy for me to come up with these videos, come out with this content, show you guys what we are doing, that we don't just talk the talk, but we walk the walk. And hey, thank you to all of the subscribers. Thank you to everybody that have been commenting. And I have been receiving a lot of calls, guys. People are interested and I mean, on different aspects of their work. Definitely, that's what we are looking for. We know what you expect as far as construction. So definitely we know your taste, we know the quality you are looking for, and definitely that's why we are going to deliver for you. So definitely, yeah, you want to, if you're going to make your pick, you want to pick T&J Construction because we are right here in the United States, and we definitely going to deliver on anything we promise. But anyways, let's see what's going on with this garage foundation, man, and all the issues we had to deal with. Let's check this one out.
Yeah, so the excavation has started. We have started the foundation digging. And then all the guys are actually eager to do the digging, and I'm so excited. Yeah, like seriously. So we're gradually getting somewhere on this project. Okay, so that's it. I'll update you later.
As you can see, we are working in a swampy area. As soon as we went down 2 feet, we came in contact with water. So we brought in our water pump. We dig all the way till we hit the bearing soil, and right after the bearing soil, we pump out the water and planted our gauge for our concrete footing casting. So in this situation, we are using steel beam at the base of the foundation to make this one a solid one.
Okay, so we've started the casting already. As you see over there, the gauge is on the level of the footing, the wall footing. Okay, so you see the steel is from in there running as the skeleton for this, as the steel running as the skeleton for this gauge. One of this beam now, this the entire beam running as the ground beam. Okay, so you realize that this is where the block's gonna be. So in this 146 now, when we lay the 8 inches back in the center, the necessary 4 inches footing that will be left will be able to share the load of the blocks. Yeah, so we'll actually be on the post. So this is how far we are. Yeah, thank you for being there anyway, and that's it.
As you can see, our resident engineer is double checking the level to make sure that, the blocks that's going to come on top going to be sitting on a flat level surface. You can see the green line and he's setting his level to it. So we make sure everything is on point. We don't leave nothing to chance.
Okay, so we actually getting somewhere. You see this shape of the foundation we on right now? The building is actually in a rectangular shape with a little square attached to it from this side to this side, where the stairs will be coming up to go upstairs. Okay, this is the main shape of it. So we targeted the entire 4 corners of the rectangular shape. So let me do a walkthrough so you can see what I'm talking about. These are the this is the footing for the walls and that of the pillars. So I'm going along this place so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, we're gradually getting the cut from into and moving. While other people cashing, other people doing the arrangement from inside. Okay, so as we're going, the same thing will be happening here. We'll be having a beam running from here straight down our ground beam here. So we're walking through. Okay, all of these are real solid for the blocks to sit on. Imagine the places are just for blocks. Yeah, so you see under this beam here, there's a steel rod within the beam of 5/8 steel rod that is going within the beam. See there? It's just a portion of the steel showing here. So yeah, the line 1, 2, running straight like this. Inside, coming like this. All over, it's happening. Okay, so this is one of the corners, and then that's how again. You see where I came from? I came from way back there, and I came to this. Okay, I'm in the rectangular shape of it. Then I go on the side, so you can see how well this foundation is guaranteed. So he pulled the client legs, then he pulled 3-story, 4-story is up to him. But we actually need to do this because of the soil we have let and to give quality work to our project as well. This is what TNG normally do. So I don't want you to be afraid. Subscribe and see how best we can be your engineers here in Liberia. Okay, so this is it. So we've done this one. We're also coming to this side. We are also here. The same thing happening. Okay, all from the interior. And then the same thing happening here too. Okay, and the same thing will be happening here as well. Okay, this side has been prepared here, and also this side. Okay, we are coming here too, and also the end. The end by the end is already there. So,
as you can see, man, we turn a soft, sandy, water-filled soil into a solid rock bed of a foundation. So definitely we have the engineering skills, we have the technical know-how to execute any project you throw our way. And for those who don't know me, some people might be wondering about who's this guy coming up and telling us. My background is architecture drafting and design. I have a degree in architecture drafting and design, and I also have a degree in electrical engineering. So definitely I have worked on both sides of the fence. I have worked in the office, but I love working in the field. That's why I quit my day job, to establish my own company. So definitely, if it were just for the money, I would have just stayed being an electrical engineer because I pay really, really, really good. But I'm doing it for what I actually love to do. I'm doing this because I love to do it. So definitely, if you give us your work, we are going to put our all into it. Not just for show, but just to make sure that there are competent Liberian companies out there that can execute, and especially for those in the diaspora that have went through a lot of issues building their homes back home. There are some people they build their houses when they get there, and they're like, "What is this? What I was paying all this money for?" And then it's just distressing, you know what I mean? It's just something that is, I don't know. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of good quality construction workers back in Liberia, but unfortunately, more and more people are having issues when they come to where they are expecting, So with us being here with us being here based in the United States and based in Liberia, definitely we know the taste and quality you expect, and that's what we're going to deliver. So, but yeah, T&J Construction is the team to call anytime you are thinking about your construction, whether big or small, whether you're trying to do an estate, whether you're trying to do a single family home, whether you're trying to do any portion of your house, your interior finish, your electrical, your plumbing, you definitely want to be contacting T&J Construction because we have the tools, we have the technical know-how, and we have the techniques to perform to your expectation. Our goal is not always to meet your expectation. Our goal is to exceed your expectation in everything we do. So definitely you want to contact T&J Construction. Again, if you're going to deal with us, the process is simple. You contact us. Once we work with you, once we come to an understanding, your payment going to be made to our bank account, to our business bank account here in the United States. We're going to write you out a contract, and then we're going to execute. That's to protect you guys. That is to protect you, because once you do a transfer from your bank to another bank, or even if you deposit your cash, there's a trace of that money. And definitely, so if there's something goes wrong, or if we don't deliver what we promise, then definitely you can come and hold us, legally, and definitely you're going to get your money back. But I promise you there's not going to be anything like that. Our goal is to exceed your expectation, and that's how we set our bar. We don't want to meet it, we want to exceed it, and we want to exceed it beyond your wildest imagination. So there it is, guys. T&J Construction, man, the team to call. Thank you. I love you guys. Take